According to XinhuaNet, on November 1st, a batch of COVID-19 vaccines aided by China arrived in Tanzania. At the same time, viral sampling tubes, throat swabs, and other epidemic prevention equipment provided by BIOBASE are also on the way to Tanzania. BIOBASE is very concerned about the situation of epidemic prevention around the world. During the public bidding for a government project in Tanzania, BIOBASE took full advantage of its complete product line, high product quality, and professional pre-sales and after-sales service and successfully won the bid. The winning bid amount is up to $130,000. The products such as viral sampling tubes, Popeye tips, and centrifuge tubes were included. Among them, the viral sampling tube, as one of BIOBASE star products, is added with virus stabilizing ingredients, which can maintain the activity of the virus in a large temperature range and reduce the decomposition rate of the virus. Its stable performance has been well received in the international market. Now, let us work into the factory together to witness the delivery process of the which can save buyers costs and improve procurement efficiency to a large extent. We hope that more BIOBASE products can be used in the prevention and control of global COVID-19 and help more countries and regions.